Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be giving you an update on the current state of crypto gaming projects, because there's no debate that crypto gaming is the most exciting sector in the market right now, as many of these projects have woken up after a long hibernation in the bear market. So I'll be reviewing a few of the projects that I've covered over the past few weeks. A lot of them have done extremely well. I'll also be looking at a few other projects that I think have a lot of potential in this next bull run that's just getting started right now. So it's time to get into the video and let the gains be with you. The total market cap of crypto gaming tokens is $13.1 billion right now. And this includes a lot of the infrastructure projects like Immutable X as well as Beam. These are not individual games. These are actually networks that host games on them. And then also this includes a lot of individual gaming projects as well. But here's the thing, Axie Infinity in the 2021 bull run had a market cap of over $10 billion standalone. And in my opinion, many of these crypto gaming projects will reach valuations of billions of dollars, and some of them will reach $10 billion plus with where I see this market going in the bull run. So it's still extremely early right now, and we do still have some time before the bull market really kicks in. So now is the time to be doing your research and finding out how you want to position yourself to best play this upcoming bull market. Again, we're still in the accumulation phase. The Bitcoin halving is 5 months away, so we're not even in the full-blown bull market yet. With that being said, let's take a look at some of the projects that I've covered over the past few weeks. And one of them is Domi Online. Domi is an MMORPG. It will be going live on the Beam network as well. Their alpha is set to release in December. Nonetheless, I covered this in a video 11 days ago, and at the time the price of Domi was 1.59 cents. Right now, Domi is trading for 4.7 cents, and earlier in the week, it actually did hit a high of around 8.8 cents. So that is an insane multiple from the time I shared it in my video, and I shared it in my Discord at 0.008 cents. So we hit a 10x in the Discord and over a 5x even right here on YouTube. Absolutely amazing to see. We are seeing crypto gaming really pick back up. Also, I shared with you Echelon Prime. I was talking about this. I made a full video on Prime explaining exactly what it was 2 weeks ago. And at the time, the price was just over $3. And I made it very clear the buy zone is below $3. And it did spend a little bit of time below $3, as you can see in this video here. And right now, Prime is trading for $7.17, and it did hit a high of $8.40. So that's over a 100%, really over a 150% return. We absolutely love to see it. Gaming is really picking back up. Another one, Nakamoto Games. I started talking about Naka pretty late, below $1 nonetheless at 91 cents. And Naka right now is trading for $1.29. So a nice healthy percentage gain right there. And then one more for you. I made a video about Spooky Z. This is a brand new play to earn game where they are taking Web 2 games and they integrated their own payment system they made with the SPZ token to make these Web 2 games. Right now it's only DayZ. They're going to be launching it on GTA 5 very soon, but nonetheless you can play these Web 2 games and earn the SPZ token. And when I first shared SPZ, it was trading for around 1.46 cents. And right now it is trading for 17 cents. So a clean 10x plus on that one. Gaming is back. Money is coming back into the crypto market, and the crypto gaming tokens are seeing that fair share of capital inflow. So now let's get into some projects that I have my eyes on that I think are poised to do extremely well over the next few months and then continued into the bull run, which I do suspect to really pick up at the time of the Bitcoin halving. So the first project I want to cover in this video is Seedify and the S Fund token. Now, full disclosure, because I always keep it real with you guys, the Seedify team themselves actually reached out to me and they said that they really like my content and they wanted to actually go ahead and sponsor my channel and collaborate with me. So this segment of the video right here is technically sponsored, but I would not be talking about Seedify if I didn't think that it has immense potential to grow, and also the fact that Seedify is undoubtedly the #1 crypto gaming launchpad and incubator. So if you've been following crypto gaming for even just a little bit, I'm sure you've already heard of Cetify. It gets mentioned all the time by people like Alex Becker and Elio Trades because it is the top crypto gaming launchpad. Nonetheless, right now the market cap of Cetify is below $100 million. It's $98.6 million, and the current price is $1.80. The all-time high of this token is $16.77. It hit this in the peak gaming bull run, November 28th of 2021, and looking at this chart, it is starting to wake back up after a long hibernation in the bear market. So getting into the details about Cetify, first of all, they're huge. Okay, this is the biggest crypto gaming launchpad out there, no doubt about it. Look at their Twitter following, almost 800,000 followers, and we can take a look here on Crypto Rank, and it tells us the top launchpads in terms of profitability. And over here, Cetify is ranked #1 with 18 IDOs in the year of 2023 alone, and the price return, the average out of all these 18 IDOs, is 233%. All right, so this is clearly the #1 launchpad, and we can also look at the individual IDOs of the projects themselves and see how they all did from the launch price. These are all the projects incubated and launched through Cetify, and looking at the most recent one, you have Chappie's at a 9x. Go through this list, you'll see that some of the top projects that are talked about everywhere have been incubated by Cetify. Lit Lab Games, another popular one right now, 3.25x. You also have ones like Games for a Living, which is being talked about everywhere. And then also you can see that Sidus Heroes itself back in 2021 was actually launched through Cetify. Okay, so all of the best crypto games, if they want to go through a launch pad, if they want to get incubated by the best, they are going to go through Cetify, and everybody is free to participate in their launch pad if you do actually hold the Cetify token. So with that being said, I want to show you how it actually does work in terms of the launch pad and how to actually get involved. So it's very simple. All you need to do is hold the Cetify token and then stake it. You do need to do KYC. So once you register through KYC, you can go ahead and you can stake your S-Fund tokens. Now the minimum amount is 500 tokens to stake. If you look over here in the bottom left of my screen, 500 S-Fund tokens cost around $900 US. So for 900 bucks, you can get yourself on the tier 1. And this is actually a lottery where you're not guaranteed allocation. If you want to guarantee yourself allocation to every single one of these launchpad projects, you need to hold at least 1,000 S-Fund tokens. And the current market price of that is around $1,800 US. And then the highest allocation is if you hold and stake 100,000 Cetify tokens. You have the highest weight in terms of the launchpad, how much capital you can contribute to these new projects. Right now, tier 9 costs around 180k USD. So that's an option for anybody out there who has a lot of capital, or for hedge funds or other entities of that nature. But you can get yourself in any one of these tiers and you can guarantee allocation to these launchpad projects, tiers 2 through 9. So Cetify, if you were interested in getting into all of the upcoming new gaming launches, this is your best option. All right, it is the #1 crypto gaming launchpad on the market for a very good reason. This is not financial advice whatsoever. And like I said, this segment of the video is sponsored by Cetify. But I am bullish on Cetify for very, very obvious reasons. And I think if you are interested in getting access to these new gaming IDOs, this is your best bet. It's really a no-brainer. So taking a look at the S-Fund price chart on the weekly time frame, this asset has woken up over the past 5 weeks. In the past 5 weeks alone, it's done very well. It has gone around 183% higher, or 1.8x from down here in around mid-October, October 23rd. And as you can see, we have not really officially broken out of the bear market accumulation range yet. Price is about to break out of the bear market accumulation range over here at around $2. Okay, and once it does break out above $2, it's clear skies. Up until $3, there's a resistance, and then $4 is the actual list price that it first went live on exchanges in November of 2021. Once the price does actually go ahead and reclaim this list price, I can see it covering lost ground very quickly. Personally, I do expect Cetify to make a new all-time high this bull run. The current all-time high is $16.93. I wouldn't be surprised to see S-Fund in a sustained bull run reach price levels of over $20. So S-Fund, I would definitely have it on your radar, and I would definitely consider it if you want to get into all of the new and exciting and the best gaming token launches that will be happening this year, 2020. 2024 as well as 2025. Cetify has established itself as the go-to gaming and metaverse launchpad and incubator. All right, so that is the first project I want to cover in the video. Let's go ahead and move on to another project, another gaming project that I'm bullish on, and that is a brand new one. It's also the talk of the town right now. It's Shrapmill and the Shrap token. Right now, Shrap is trading for 18.77 cents with a market cap of $44 million. This is a brand new coin, brand new token. It just went live. So only 7.73% of the tokens are in circulation. That is 232 million out of 3 billion Shrap in circulation. There is a vesting schedule. Check out the tokenomics. But what is Shrapmill? So Shrapmill is a first-person extraction shooter where you fight as a mercenary extraction force operator. The gameplay is competitive and intense. The year is set in 2038 and an asteroid collided with the moon, and years later, meteorites rain down on Earth repeatedly. Dangerous yet valuable. Your mission is to collect the mysterious meteorite substance, survive in military combat, and get out alive. The progression system provides long-term goals and rewards for your operator character. It is the ultimate high-stakes treasure hunt. And the Shrapmill project has an extremely strong team. They are based out of Seattle, Washington, over in the US, their gaming studio. So the Shrapmill team is comprised of industry experts from AAA games and blockchain projects. They are designers, producers, artists, and programmers working at the nexus of games, television, movies, and graphic novels. Collectively, they produce some of the biggest game franchises in the world, such as BioShock, Halo Remastered, Red Faction Guerrilla, Star Wars, Harry Potter, and more. The team leadership has won Emmys and BFTAs for their previous work, and Shrapmill has already won 6 industry awards so far. So from everything I've seen about this game, we can take a look at some of their gameplay here on their Twitter account. Everything that I've seen about this game, it just reminds me a lot of Call of Duty, and it does look like a lot of fun to play. Everybody that's had the opportunity to test it out so far, the game isn't actually fully live yet and playable. It will be very soon, but everybody who's had the opportunity to test the game early has said that it is the most fun crypto blockchain game they have played so far. So Shrapmill, it is new, it's exciting, and it looks like an amazing game. I would definitely consider looking into this one. If you're bullish on crypto gaming and you're looking to get yourself into the new tokens that just went live, this is certainly one to consider. Now, looking at the Shrapmill website, this is a play-to-earn game, as are all Web3 games. And the Shrap token, so it's the heart of the Shrapmill economy, and it provides utility and a medium of exchange on the Shrapmill platform. And also looking at the project's roadmap, phase 1 has been completed over here. Right now, they are working on some things such as the marketplace player profile, Shrap rewards. The pre-alpha will also be launching soon. All right, so this is a brand new project, and it's the most exciting crypto game right now. It's the talk of the town. Shrapmill, definitely have it on your radar. Let's take a look at the Shrap token price. So looking at this price chart, it's only 3 weeks old. Let's go ahead and drop this down to a 4-hour. So it has gone up only since its launch. A lot of people that got into the pre-sale or bought it early the second it launched or the day it launched have seen a nice return. It went from around 7 cents to a high of about 25 cents. And the price is currently pulling back to a previous high level. All right, if I go ahead and mark this wick, we can go ahead and see that now price is pulling back and it's retesting some of these old highs, flipping resistance into support. We'll see if it does actually go ahead and hold here. And I'm just going to put a demand zone on the chart that I see. Market like so. We do have a demand zone from 17.5 cents down to 14.6 cents. If you're looking to pick some of this up, this does look like a solid level. If you want to hope for some kind of crash and get it way lower, you do have some levels down here at around 12 to 11 cents. Okay, so those are the closest buy zones to current price. Do with this information what you will. I'm bullish on this, even though it already has a $41 million market cap. I think this one can go to billions in the bull run. Not financial advice, obviously, but yeah, these are the buy zones that I see on the chart. So watch for a dip into these levels if you are looking to pick some up and you're looking for a nice discount. This is the second coin I wanted to cover in this video. Let's go ahead and move on to another one. And the next one is actually a game that is not yet live. The beta is available to play right now. Beta testers have been playing all year long in 2023, and this is Fusionist. So Fusionist is a blockchain game and game infrastructure layer, and they are currently running a campaign for their beta, their second beta testers. The Galactic Duel, it's about to open right now. They are giving away beta testing keys, and everybody that's been testing the game in the beta right now has actually been accruing the ACE token through gameplay and other rewards mechanisms just by playing this game. All right, and this one is another really bullish one that's not yet out. They've been building all bear market long. The beta has been implemented and people have been playing the beta of the game all year long in 2023. And when this project does officially go live and they launch the ACE token on the open market, I'm expecting really good things from it. And looking at the Fusionist website, so a little bit about their backstory and their lore. Human greed has destroyed Earth. Selflessness will save humanity. Your consciousness fused into machine, you venture into the universe. All right, pretty cool website here. So Fusionist, it's a multi-game universe. The definitive sci-fi game trilogy built from the ground up on top of Earth's most advanced Web3 protocol will take gaming to the next level. So game 1, colonize, game 2, conquer, and game 3, unite. So definitely check out Fusionist. If you want to check out their beta, you can download the game on Steam. You need to get a beta testing key, join their community, join their Discord, get involved. When this one does launch, I think the ACE token is going to do extremely well, and I think the game is going to be played by a lot of people. And you can be a beta tester and start earning yourself ACE tokens right now. So get involved and check this one out. I'm bullish on Fusionist as well as ACE. I think it's going to do really well in the bull run. When it does actually go ahead and launch, it's not even live right now. All right, let's go ahead and move on to another project I think has potential to do well, and that is Epic Prime and the Epic token. Right now, Epic is trading for 2.25 cents, and it's a small market cap of only $21.1 million. 47% of all Epic tokens are in circulation. 938 mil out of 2 billion tokens are in circulation. And the all-time high of this is 90 cents, and currently price is down 97% from this all-time high. The all-time high was made at the peak of the gaming bull run, November of 2021. So Epic isn't actually a game, it's more of an NFT infrastructure project. Let's read a little bit about Epic right here. So with more than 300 video gaming clients, Epic is the leading global NFT licensing technology company, putting brands into video games to produce premium digital items and experiences for over 1 billion gamers worldwide, with the largest digital ecosystem with hundreds of the world's most popular entertainment brands. Epic is widely considered to be the blockchain industry leader, producing collaborations for premium licensed digital collectibles, NFTs, and exclusive experiences powered by an interoperable proprietary cross-chain technology. Epic was the first and only NFT company to do any deals with AAA gaming companies for NFTs. Clients include Viacom CBS, Warner Music, Garena, Tencent, and Universal. All right, so really strong team, good partnerships, and they're focused on bringing interoperable NFTs to the blockchain from some huge clients that they're already partnered with. Now, taking a look at the Epic website, another one that is really still in development. They've been building all bear market long, and they're going to be releasing their locker soon, and you can be a beta tester of this. So prior to releasing locker to the general public, they wanted to give you, the community, a chance to take it for a test drive before everyone else. Your locker is basically where you store all of your interoperable cross-chain NFTs. So just by participating in the member beta, you'll receive a special Prime NFT containing special rewards. So I would suggest to you, if you're interested in something like this, go to their website and visit the locker and try and become a beta tester. So they are partnered with 300 plus game companies, 50% plus of the top game companies in the world, 1,000 plus brands, and 1 billion plus gaming user base they can actually tap into. I do expect this one to do well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the Epic price chart, and it has been performing quite well over the past few weeks, as we can see here on the weekly price chart. Another one coming out of the bear market accumulation. So if you feel like you're late, you see that it's up 100 200% in the past 2 weeks, you have to look at the bigger picture here. All right, this is really nothing compared to where it can go. Yes, maybe if you get in now, you won't be able to catch say 100x plus, and you can only get like a 50x, but that's still an amazing return. And obviously not financial advice either. A lot can go wrong. This is a very early project. Problems can arise with any early project, and that's the risk you take by buying small market cap, newer crypto projects. It carries inherently higher risk than the high cap projects that have been established for years now. Nonetheless, looking at this chart, again, you're not late. Let's drop this down to a 4 hour. And all I see here is a beautiful run up. buyers stepping back into the market. You can see volume coming back as well. And now it's having its first kind of major pullback. Looking at these previous pullbacks from high to low, this one was around 33%. This pullback here was around 17%. And the current pullback from high to low has been 34%. So we'll see how big of a pullback it does actually give. It's already gone down 34%. The trend in this thing is certainly up. An uptrend has started. It has a lot of interest. A lot of people are looking to go ahead and get into this one. So dips are opportunities if you're bullish on this asset and you think it goes higher here over the next, say, 12 to 18 months in the crypto bull run. Right now, the price is 2.2 cents. The all-time high of Epic, like we said, is 90 cents. So you're looking at a 40x just to get back to that all-time high. All right, so check this one out. I really like the project. I like the partnerships. I like the vision. I like everything that they're building. I'm bullish on it. I do think it can do well. And if it comes down below 2 cents, that would be optimal to establish a position in my very own humble opinion. So look for a dip further below 2, but nonetheless, you already got a 34% dip. So if you're looking to position yourself, the red days, you have to learn to appreciate them and love them. The red days are, in reality, just opportunity. All right, so this is another project that I'm bullish on. Let's go ahead and cover one more crypto gaming project in this video that I do think can do well in this bull run. And this project is Gold Fever in the NGL token. This is an MMORPG metaverse type of game. And right now the NGL token is trading for 12.5 cents with a market cap. It's a small one, right at around $5 million. So now let's go ahead and cover briefly what Gold Fever is. So Gold Fever is a thrilling survival MMORPG fully owned by players. You can mine and fight for NGL in a blockchain economy driven by commercial NFTs owners. Taking place in a dark and haunting rainforest setting, players can engage in action-packed battles which are intensified by the game's varying character strengths and complex terrain. This makes for an intense and highly strategic game that allows players to develop its infrastructure, acquire expensive planes, and earn by renting them to others. This dynamic was the core idea that helped the team create the commercial NFT, a new use case concept for NFTs, in-game businesses that provide items and services for players, or items that generate passive income, or items that can be rented or put in custody. You own them along with the revenue that they do generate. So they went ahead and built their own play to earn mechanic within the game. And even though this one only has a $5 million market cap, it already has a pretty big community. As we can see, 73,000 followers on Twitter, and they are very active on Twitter as well. Their team constantly giving updates and speaking with the community. And looking at their website, we can see a little bit more about the game and how it does actually look like. So some of the game features here: battle arenas. You can face the horrors of the dark and haunting jungle as you engage in a fast-paced battle against the opposing faction. You can collect limited edition NFTs like clothes, weapons, companions, and use them to show the world your skill and your status. It is play to earn. You can invest by purchasing NFTs that bring you passive income, and you can also trade. You can buy, sell, rent, and borrow NFTs or services. So this is a very complex metaverse MMORPG game. They have been building, again, all bear market long, and looking at the price of this thing, the NGL token has a market cap of $5.08 million. And just looking at the weekly chart here, the weekly, like all gaming tokens, has started to pick up. But looking at where this thing was in June of 2022, it's still below that price from June of 2022. So this is still in the bear market accumulation zone. Everything below this price here, everything below this price of 15 cents, 14.6 cents, this is all essentially the bottom, okay? Like, we're going to look back at this chart, most likely, I'm speculating here, but we're going to look back at this chart and see these prices and just say, wow, that was extremely low. Obviously, as long as nothing goes wrong with this project and they continue to build and launch their game and get some traction. But yeah, everything below 15 cents here, this is all like bottom bear market stuff. Very small market cap at $5 million. I think that this one can make up lost ground very quickly, especially as the gaming hype continues to pick up. And back to this previous range high over here at 33.5 cents from the current price, you're looking at a gain of 163% or a 1.63x. And then after that, it has a lot of ground to make up. Looking at the launch price when it first went live in November 2021, that's $1.20. Okay, so that's a 10x from the current price. just to get back to the launch price when it first went live in 2021. Now, looking at the 4-hour, it is having a sell-off right now. Some people are profit taking that bought the bottom down here, most likely. And you do have a level down here that I like at 9 to 10 cents. Okay, so this is your range to play. Anything below 9.1 cents is most likely going to be a deviation, and I would expect price to recover quickly. Not financial advice, but that's what I'm looking at. That's how I'm going to play this chart. So definitely go ahead and take a look at Gold Fever. I think it does have a lot of potential to perform well in the coming bull run. So in this video, I gave an update on the crypto gaming market. I talked about a lot of the projects that I've covered in previous videos over the past few weeks, and we took a look at 5 projects that I think have a lot of potential to perform really well in the coming bull market. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.